Next thing, how it affects the tooth decay. pH change as the cause of tooth decay. So as I mentioned earlier, each part of our body has a particular pH. The range of pH in our mouth is 7.4. Okay, our teeth or our mouth has a pH 7.4. So when we eat food containing sugar, all of you know that the bacteria present in our mouth break down the sugar into acids. Thus what happened? The acid formed in the mouth after taking sugary substances makes the pH range to lower down. So if it is 7.4, the pH range will be reduced. Reducing the pH means the acidic character increases. It falls to a 5.5. Okay, so when the mouth reaches, or when the pH range of the mouth reaches 5.5, tooth decay starts. Okay, this is because the acid becomes strong enough to attack the enamel of our teeth and corrode it. We know that the enamel coating on our teeth is insoluble calcium phosphate, which is very hard. It is not affected by water. So when the pH in the mouth falls below 5.5, the enamel gets corroded. Okay, water will have a direct access to the roots and decay of the teeth will occur. The bacteria present in the mouth break down the sugar that we eat in one form or the other into the other acids. Thus what happens? It attacks to the enamel of our teeth and slowly it corrode, and this sets into the tooth decay. Though tooth enamel is made up of calcium phosphate, which is hardest material, but it starts getting corroded when the pH in the mouth is lower than 5.5. So what happens? In order to avoid this, we have to wash our mouth after each meal. The best way to prevent tooth decay is to clean the mouth thoroughly after eating food by rinsing with a lot of water. Then many toothpastes contain bases. This can be used to neutralize the acidic character of our mouth. So a toothpaste has a pH range 8. Toothpaste has pH 8. So when we use the toothpaste for cleaning the teeth, we can neutralize the excess acid in the mouth and thus prevent the tooth decay. So a person can lessen the chances of suffering from tooth decay by changing his eating habits, such as eating less of sugary foods like sweets, toffees, etc. So thus we can prevent the tooth decay. So toothpaste containing the base which help them to neutralize the effect of the acid and also increases the pH in the mouth. So when there is acidic character is high, we use the base to neutralize it. In the mouth, normally it has a range 7.4. When there is tooth decay starts, the pH will lower to 5.5. That means it is acidic in nature. In order to maintain that or not to neutralize that acidic character for further corroding or tooth decay, what we will do? We will use the toothpaste. Toothpaste has a high basic character, that is 8, above 8. So while we are using the toothpaste for cleaning the teeth, it can neutralize the excess acid in the mouth and prevent tooth decay. Okay, so this is another effect of pH that leads to the tooth decay.